In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone as guest in Asana. Inviting a guest is perfect when you want clients, contractors, or partners to view or collaborate on a project without giving them full access to your entire workspace. In Asana, a guest is anyone whose email address is outside your organization's domain, and they'll only see what you share with them. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. If you use Google at work, the quickest way in is to select Continue with Google. If you prefer, you can sign in with a password instead, but Google is convenient and keeps things simple. Choose the correct Google account when prompted and approve any sign-in confirmations so you land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, navigate to Projects from the main navigation. This is where all your work lives. Find and open the specific project you want to share with a guest. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the right project, since the person you invite will only gain access to this project and its tasks. At the top right of the project, look for the Share button. Click it to open the sharing panel. In the invite field, type the email address of the person you want to bring in. You can add more than one email if you need to invite multiple guests. Remember, for someone to be treated as a guest, their email should be outside your organization's domain. If they use the same domain as your team, Asana may treat them as a member instead. Before sending the invitation, set the appropriate access level on the right side of the sharing panel. For most guest scenarios, viewer or commenter is the safest choice. Viewers can see the project without making changes, which is great for stakeholders who just need visibility. Commenters can leave feedback and ask questions on tasks while still being restricted from editing core details. Only choose full edit access if the guest truly needs to modify tasks and sections. When everything looks good, click Invite. Asana will send an email to the guest with a link to join the project. If they don't already use Asana, they'll be guided through creating a free account tied to the exact email you invited. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Invite guests to the specific projects you want them to see, review task privacy within the project to ensure sensitive items are appropriately limited, and if you need to change or remove access later, return to the Share panel to update permissions. That's it. Your guest is now set up to collaborate securely in Asana.